I made $200 selling Aloe Pups from one plant. Full Guide 2026. If you have aloe at home, this video is free money for you. Watch till the end. I will tell you the exact method and where to sell pups. People throw away Aloe Pups like they are trash. I did not know before that these baby plants sell for so much. Nurseries charge $5 to $15 for one single pup. Your plant grows 10 to 20 pups every year. Do the math yourself. I am not overclaiming. This is real earning, and you can do it too. You only need 3 things: a plant, patience, and this method. First, how to separate the pup. Use a sterilized knife. Where to cut so the mother plant does not get damaged. After cutting, you must dry it for 3 days, otherwise it will rot. I will share the soil mix. I used cocoa peat, perlite, and compost. When to pot the pup and how much water to give. In how many weeks roots appear and how to check them. When the pup is ready to sell, 4-inch size is best. The mistake 90% people make that kills the pup. Where to sell pups. Facebook Marketplace, OLX, and plant groups. How to set price based on size. $5 to $15. How to take photos that attract buyers. Safe shipping method if you need to send to another city. Start with 1 plant. After 6 months you will have 10 plants. Each plant gives $200 per year. That means $2,000 passive income. I also started with 1 plant. Now I have a mini nursery. If this method was helpful, hit the like button. Comment below how many pups came out from your plant. Subscribe to the channel because next video is about earning from snake plants. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Aloe Vera plant. Botanical name is Aloe barbadensis Miller. Type succulent. Plant needs less water plus full sunlight. Growth makes pups. Baby plants from sides. Care 1x watering per week. Well draining soil. No direct heat burn. Top 7 benefits. Hair growth gel stops dandruff plus makes hair thick. Skincare gel cools burns, acne, sunburn into minute. Digestive health. Small amount of gel helps digestion. Air purifier removes formaldehyde plus benzene from air. Immunity gel has vitamins A, C, E plus antioxidants. Wound healing antibacterial, cuts to acts faster heal. Zero maintenance. Grows even if you forget to water.